let's start part 2 of this lesson with example 5. We're going to find the measures of each of the following. So we have these angles right here we got to find in the circle. Remember, these are all look like they're going to be central angles, like angle AOB. If we know the measure of the arc, the angle will be the same. So they've got all these arcs here with variable expressions: x, 4x, 2x plus 15, and 3x plus 15. So we must solve for x first. And we know that if we add up all these around the whole circle, how many degrees will it equal? 360. So that's the equation we're going to set up. I start off with the 3x angle, 3x plus 15, I'm sorry. This one right here. So I start with this arc and then add the next one, which is x, and then go around the circle. We got 4x. Then we have 2x plus 15, the last one. So that's all the arcs. We add them up, it equals 360. So if we combine like terms, we have 3x's plus 1 more, that's 4x, plus 4 more, that's 8, plus 2 is 10x's. Then the numbers, we got 15 plus 15 more, and so that makes 30. So now we'll go ahead and subtract the 30 from both sides and get 10x equals 330, divide by 10, and get x equals 33. Now we can figure out what all these arcs are here and their angles. Let's see. Angle AOB, for instance. AOB is the same as this arc, which is x. And what does x equal? 33. We just figured it out. So that angle is 33. Angle BOC equals this arc, which is 4x. 4 times whatever x is. I use this little star for the time sign right now. Okay. I need to pause. So 4 times 33, you can check my math, 132. Angle COD, what it equals this arc right here, which is 2 times x plus 15, or 2 times our 33 for x plus 15, which should be 81. And then the last one, AOD, angle AOD is associated with this arc, equals that arc, which is 3x plus 15, or 3 times x, 3 times 33 plus 15, which is 114. You can double check, this is all the way around the circle. All these should add up to 360, and I did check that. What do we got next? Another quick check like it, so you ought to pause this video and see if you can do a similar problem. And then we'll check your answer in a minute. Okay, see if you can set this up and do this one yourself. Alright, hopefully you paused it and you're back to look at the answer. So it's a similar problem. We got to figure out what x is, so we got to add up all of these, say it equals 360. So I started with the 8x plus 10, and I'm going to work myself around clockwise, so next is 2x. Then there's the 6x plus 20 arc. And then last is the 5x plus 15. Combining all the x's, I got 8, 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus 5 is 21 x's. The numbers, the plain old constants, 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 15 is 45. Subtract the 45 from both sides, and I get 21x equals 315. Divide by 21, and I've got x equals 15. So now we can go around and answer these angle problems. AOB equals same as this arc, which is 2x, or 2 times 15, which is 30. BOC is 6x plus 20, or 6 times 15 plus 20, which I got 110. Angle COD will equal this arc, which is 5x plus 15. 5 times 15 plus 15, I got 90 degrees. And the last one, AOD equals this arc, which is 8x plus 10, or 8 times 15 plus 10, which is 130. Again, double check your heads by adding all those up. I go all the way around the circle without overlapping. It should be 360 degrees. It looks like that's all our examples, so now you can work on the practice problems. Let me know again if you have any trouble. And good work.